What's up guys, we've got a very special review for you today. This is for Audi RSQ8 Vorsprung. These are an absolute beast, looking like Ironhide from Transformers, but they come with a hefty price tag. That's because this is a 2023 RSQ8 with just over 1,000 miles on the clock and priced around £114,000. So that's where yous come in. Is this the most luxurious and agile sports SUV on the market today? Now we'll be splitting it up into 4 different categories. We've got exterior, interior, space and power for yous to decide. What better way to kick off an exterior is by starting at the front. We've got the Matrix LED headlights that's got a fantastic animation when you're unlocking the car. You've got this massive grille with the RSQ8 badge in black and the black logo, which looks really sporty and mean, but what it kicks it off with is this lower front splitter. I'd rate this front 9 out of 10. Now these beasts rest on a 23-inch 5-wide spoke rotor design with gloss anthracite black and with a diamond cut finish. Now these give it a really nice side profile, especially with the red brake calipers. At the back now you get the extended roof spoiler, the privacy glass, the full width tail light. You've got the blacked out logo and badge, but you can't quite see them, especially in the Mythos black metallic compared to the other colours you do. At the back as well, you've got the redesigned bumper with this cool texture, makes the back stick out a little bit more and looks quite cool. You've got the RS Sport exhaust system, because you've got the 2 exhausts in one as well on either side. Now we're onto the interior section of the video. Firstly, let's kick it off with these gorgeous seats. These are 4-way lumbar support with the RS front Super Sport seats with the RS embossed logo in the Valcona leather. The driver and the front passenger have the memory function as well as the electronically adjustable seats. Also now we've got the steering wheel. We've got 3 spokes, we've got high multifunctional steering wheel. It's also heated. It's got the gear shift paddles at the back as well as the RS down the bottom as usual. It's also got the leather and the red stitching around the side, but the leather is also on the gear selector, which is really nice, really comfy to hold. On the infotainment centre you've got the 10.1-inch screen, which is touchscreen, but you have to press quite hard that I think. So you've got the navigation, the phone, news, media, all quite cool with the radio as well. But down here you've got the 4-zone climate control, which is also touchscreen. Also you have to press quite hard, I think, but it's got the heated seats, all very quite cool. Also got the RS on the horse and the sporty aluminium pedals. As well, it has superior voice control, so you could simply say I'm hungry or I'm hot, and this will start the temperature increase and decrease, or even start navigation. It also has the carbon design on the doors and dash, and you've got this massive panoramic sunroof which is easily opened and closed on the inside. Now this section of space shouldn't surprise many of you because this is a massive SUV. For headroom I have loads, as you can see. For knee room might not look much, but they can be moved back, this one and that seat over there, so it gives you plenty more room, and I'm 5'8". Now, not only do they move forward, but they do fold down, which we'll get onto in a minute for the boot space. But you've got the extra storage unit as a nest. This centre armrest does go down with the cup holders, so they are got loads of space for your items as well, and space for people in the back. Not only that, but they are luxurious. They've got the red stitching on the mat, the seats and the seat belt to make it that much comfier. Now the boot space is ridiculous. It holds 605 litres with the seats up, but it nearly triples to 1,755 litres when them seats go down. Now that is massive. Now this is the fun part, because this is an absolute weapon under this hood. Now, this can do a top speed of 155 miles per hour with a 0 to 62 time in 3.8 seconds. This is a 4-litre V8 engine with 8 cylinders and produces 592 brake horsepower. Now this can be compared to the Lamborghini Urus. The Audi RSQ8 comes with a less of a price tag, but it's less punchy, with the Lambo having 60 brake horsepower more, and I feel it looks more luxurious on the interior. Nevertheless, this Audi RSQ8 is a weapon on the roads. And that's the review today for this Audi RSQ8 Vorsprung Quattro. Would you agree with me? Is this the most luxurious and sporty SUV on the market today? If so, let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, give us a follow, and stay tuned for more reviews like this one. See you later.